sun was rising in the ancient woods. Daniel smiled. This will be easy. With an old map and a compass in his hands, he walked alone through the silent land. But the map was torn, the trail was gone, the compass kept spinning on and lost.
I'm lost.
He whispered with fear. He crossed an old bridge over the river below. Crack! A board broke, but he made the jump ahead. A dark cave waited in silence. Strange symbols covered the ancient walls. A glowing blue light called his name. Then two bright eyes opened in the dark. A giant sea monster rushed toward him. Daniel ran through the twisting tunnels. He jumped over rocks, escaped the shadows, and finally reached the sunlight. The monster stopped at the cave entrance. Daniel smiled. I found my way home.
On my way home.
But then he remembered his old map was still inside. Deep in the darkness, two glowing blue eyes were watching.